Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to add a screen record on iPhone on Control Center. Now let's jump into the process. Open your settings, here we go. Now scroll down, you can see the option of Control Center, tap on it. Now here you can see two sessions as included controls and more controls. Now you have to add a screen record to the upper side, included controls. Now you have to go and scroll down, and then here you can see this screen recording option. You have to tap on this plus icon. Now go and check in the included controls. You can see that screen recording is available here now. Now you can just swipe and then see in your control center that screen recording has been added. In this way, you can easily add a screen record on iPhone on control center. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.